Hello, my name is Johnny P. Ferrer, and I hold a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I am excited to officially submit my application for the September 2026 intake from my home country, the Philippines. My primary motivation for wanting to work with the Ministry of Preschool and School Education of Uzbekistan is to contribute directly to the country's transformative vision for modern education. Uzbek students are incredibly bright and eager to learn, and I want to bring back my background in English language instruction, curriculum execution, and interactive teaching methods to help strengthen language fluency and confidence in the classroom. Joining this program allows me to build meaningful cultural bridges while dedicating my expertise to standardizing top-tier English education for Uzbeks. And I look forward to contributing to your vision. Thank you.